Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making Kutcha Mangue. So where we're going to start, because we've got just over 1 mango here, so about 1.5 mango grated. As you can see, it's leaving water content. So what we've got for the ingredients here, we've got salt and sugar, teaspoon of each. So what we're going to do with this is pop it in here. We want to mix this, and then we're going to leave it for 10 minutes minimum, because what's going to happen is the salt is going to draw out the water content, and then we're going to drain the liquid away, and then we're going to use what we've got. Now here what we've got is 3 garlic. Here we've got just over half a tablespoon of mustard seeds, black mustard seeds. I would have put more, but I haven't because I'm using some mustard oil as well. Here we've got turmeric, 1 tablespoon. We've got 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, and we've got 4 chilies. Now, that's it guys, that's all we need. So yeah, we're going to leave this and come back to it. This has been set aside for 10 minutes. You can see the liquids come out, so the liquid on the side. So we're now going to drain that because we don't need it. Okay guys, now that that's been drained, simple, we're just going to add the garlic, mustard seed and turmeric in here. Add in the green chilies. And of course the mustard seed oil. Now this will help preserve it, as it is oil, but this is something you'll probably eat within the week anyway, but I will. And there we have it guys, some beautiful Kutcha Mangue. There we go.